Camping gear can get torn up fast. That's why we made the Seam Grip WP Repair Kit. Fix anything from a tent to a camping airbed with this lightweight kit. It includes a tube of Seam Grip WP adhesive, 2 tenacious tape repair patches, instructions, and a brush. To use, start with a clean surface. Brush Seam Grip WP over the tear and let it cure overnight. If using the item sooner, cut a patch to size and apply it over the adhesive. Once cured, you'll have a waterproof repair that is flexible and permanent. For a quick repair to bug mesh or other small fabric tear, simply peel and stick a tenacious tape patch. These ultra-strong patches are nearly invisible, won't peel back over time, and can even be washed. Use this kit to repair anything on the trail, including sleeping bags, tarps, and camping airbeds. It will even patch a burn hole in a jacket. Repair tents and camping gear in a pinch with the Seam Grip WP Repair Kit.